Magandang hapon, basketball fans. Muli nagbabalik ang inyong paboritong liga dito sa Bicolandia, ng Bicol Cup Masbate. Siyempre hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Bicol Party List katabang nakasurog pa. We are live here at Kawayan Memorial Plaza to witness the game between Katayngan versus Dimasalang. Magandang hapon. The name is Wadi Jan Bachiller at your service alongside with my partner na si Jem Pleto. Magandang hapon sa iyo, partner.
Magandang hapon, partner, and this will be an exciting day for our Ako Bicol Cup. This is our first matchup of the day, Katayngan against Dimasalang. Both teams coming off a loss, and Katayngan lost against Uson in their previous game. The big question for them is how will they come back sa talong yon. Ito namang Dimasalang lost against Kawayan in this league na to. Their record for now is 1-2, and they will utilize, of course, their fast break opportunities. Ito naman na Dimasalang observable na talagang undersized compared dito sa ating Katayngan team, which will be exciting matchup and expecting a thrilling game for today, partner.
Yes, magandang hapon, and of course we will see the debuting game ng ating si Ray Igot, who's been playing dito sa Katayngan and also a product of Balboa University, and now yung Dimasalang underman, but still alam naman natin yung puso nitong Dimasalang on how they play. And bago natin umpisahan laro, partner, pasadahan muna natin ang ating current team standings so far. So sa ating team standings as of August 21, 2024 sa District 1, partner, nangunguna pa rin ang San Jacinto with 4 wins and 1 loss. They are tied ng San Fernando with 4 wins and 1 loss again, and Claveria 3-2, Batuan 2-3, Monreal 1-4, and completing the District 1 is sa San Pascual with 1 win and 4 loss. So talagang very even ang number 1 and number 2 spot. So talagang tingnan natin kung sino ang makaka-advance sa ating second round. And para naman sa District 2, ang Baleno, talagang wala pang katalo-talo dito sa ating liga with 4 wins and wala pang talo. And Aroroy, and has been the hottest team right now so far dito sa ating District 2 with 3 wins and 1 loss. And Masbate City 3-2, Mobo 3-2, Milagros 2-2. Yung Balod naman is 1-3, and yung Mandao naman bowed out sa ating liga with 0 wins and 6 na talo. So talagang dikitan ang nagiging standings ng ating district. So sa District 3 naman, yung Placer talaga lording it over pagdating dito sa kanilang district. So we have 5 wins and walang talo, and Kawayan din also will play dito sa ating second game with 3-2. Yung Uso naman coming from a win, also 3-2. Katayngan, who's been playing right now, 2-2. Dimasalang 1-2. PUB Corpus 1 win and 2 loss, and yun ang Palanas, wala pang panalo dito sa ating torneo. So we'll see if Katayngan led by Ray Igot or Dimasalang, the underman, will battle it out in a Wednesday afternoon. So puntahan na natin ang ating arena announcer, si JB Salvidar, to start things off.
Magandang hapon, Bicolandia. This is the D20 of your Ako Bicol Cup Masbate, brought to you by Congressman Saldico ng Bicol Party List sa tabang nakasurug pa. We welcome you everyone inside the Kawayan Memorial Plaza from the double header match. Our first game will be having Team Katayngan versus Team Dimasalang. And for the first time for Team Katayngan, round in jersey number 4, Ray Igot. Round in jersey number 12, the red medical team. Number 18, Donald Clark Mercedes. Round in jersey number 30, Vice James DeVito. And round in jersey number 33, Ross Legaspi. And for the first time for Team Dimasalang, round in jersey number 2, Alfred Alforte. Round in jersey number 23, Renoboy Bordonas. Round in jersey number 27, Alfredo Alvino. Number 38, Early Sularca. And for jersey number 30, Montel Arizabar. And for the officials for this voltage, Richie Brandon Chapacera. Upper 1, Ryan Moliniza, and number 2, CJ Sanchez. This is the Ako Bicol Cup Masbate, Atito!
Yes, kami nagbabalik. Ang Ako Bicol Cup Masbate ay hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List, katabang nakasurog pa. And for our primary protagonist, starting for Katayngan, is Ray Igot, Ruel Bergantin, Clark Versales, James Pepito, Roch Legaspi. On the side of Dimasalang naman, Alfred Alforte, Boloñas, Alino, Sularta, and Manuel Arsbal.
And I believe, partner, this is the debut game itong si Ray Igot,
Yes.
itong Kataingan. Kaya he will be a player to watch here para sa ating game na to.
Tama ka dyan. During the opening pa lang ng Ako Bicol Cup, talagang nakita ko yung lineup na Ray Igot is playing for Kataingan. Alam naman natin, I've seen this kid play during his younger years, partner, and he is now a product of Mapua University. So tingnan natin if ano ang magiging contributions nitong si Ray Igot on the side of Kataingan.
And of course, partner, on the side of Dimasalang, how will they defend this guy? This guy is unstoppable pagdating sa 1-2-3 position, and I think this will be a challenge for Dimasalang.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Dimasalang underman who's now playing 8 players lang, partner, because of some commitments. Sabi nila, yung iba daw hindi pa nakakalabas sa trabaho. So tingnan natin if makakahabol. Pero we'll see is this Dimasalang squad, especially with the name of Manuel Arzubalos with a split 5 guard. Talagang and right now we're having a clarifications.
And I think there's a confusion between the officials, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan.
And there is a confusion between the referees. Itong si
Yes, yun ang partner si Manuel Arizubal. Pupunta sa ating referees to clarify things. Yun nga, mabalik tayo. Itong si Arizubal, who's been the leading scorer para dito sa Dimasalang. Also, who can run up and down the floor and also hit outside shots. So talagang pag-abangan natin ang player nito. Yan na si Arizubal, gives the ball to Boloñas. We know he can shoot that. Binigay dito kay Alforte. Alforte with the ball. 1 second to the shot clock. And yun ang naputukan ng 24-second violation. Itong Dimasalang.
I guess they were not aware of that shot clock, kaya nagkaroon ng turnover doon, partner.
Yes, yan na. Si Pepito manning the point. Binigay dito kay Ray Igot. Directing traffic. Cross court dito kay Bergantinos, one of the leading scorers. Pepito momentarily loses the ball. Binigay sa ilalim dito kay Legaspi, but he loses the ball.
And you know, partner, both teams coming off a loss, kailangan talaga nilang manalo. Ito naman Dimasalang, it's just a means of survival dito sa torneo. Ito namang Kataingan, talagang kailangan nilang panalong to para makakwalify.
Yes, of course, tama ka dyan. Kataingan is eyeing our second round, but kaya nga siguro pinapunta na o naglaro na itong si Ray Igot in this lineup. Ayan na si Pipito, top of the key, 3. No good. Versales again is there. Yun naman, partner, itong trabaho nito si Versales talaga ever since from the start. I've noticed him talaga mahilig lang sa mga pulot-pulot bola, and right now nagmaterialize na naman yung kasipagan ng batang ito.
And this will be an advantage for Kataingan kasi talagang mas mahaba itong team na to. And their advantage sa size will be a challenge for Dimasalang.
Tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Ray Igot using the left hand and the first bucket of the tournament para dito kay Ray Igot.
And that's one of many na magiging puntos niya dito. Partner, I expect him to play and score more here sa game na to.
Tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Pipito. Binigay kay Versales. Sidestepping move using the left hand. Mintis ang kanyang tira. And look at the light shirts, partner. Talagang despite the limited ang height nila, talagang they're running the floor to defend those offensive players nung Kataingan. Ayan na si Alforte. Follow-away jumper. Mintis yan.
And as you observe, partner, yan talagang advantage ng smaller lineup. You know, they're faster sa fast breaks and of course sa depensa.
Ayan na si Legaspi using the glass. Mintis yan. Look at 5 players surrounding Ray Igot and got the rebound and he was fouled.
I guess effective yun. They're trying to group up against itong si Igot kasi nga shoot fire itong player na to.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Siguro aware din sila na Ray Igot can shoot the lights out in any given day and any given time. Ayan na si Igot shoots the 3. Misses the shot. Rebound nakuha nitong si Lino. Lino hands it off to number 26. 28 na si Sulata. Misses the shot. And right now the score is 4-0. Lamang po ng 4 na puntos sa Kataingan. Ayan na si Igot. Attacking. Sidestepping. Using the left hand and scores for 2.
And that's great use of the contact para malibre siya dito.
Yun ang advantage, partner, talaga ng malalaking pangangatawan o malalakas. Kasi after that bump, si Alino is no joke, partner, dahil malaki din. After that bump, he manages to take the shot na maayos pa.
And remember, partner, itong si Igot, he plays the 1-3 position.
Yes.
Talagang maganda ang size niya para sa posisyon na yan.
Ayan na si Boloñas. Igot steals the ball. crossing the half-court line, wants to attack. What a pass dito kay Legaspi. Scoring underneath.
And Igot already showing great vision on that play.
Yes, right now, wala pang naipupuntos itong Dimasalang. We'll see if Arizobal will manage to take the first bucket para dito. Binigay dito kay Boloñas, who's been the hot shooting para dito sa Dimasalang. Misses the shot. Bersales with the board. Pepito slows things down. Ang gandang pasa sana pero hindi na-anticipate ni Legaspi. And right now we have a timeout dito sa team Dimasalang because I guess they will adjust dahil nga wala pa silang nabubuslo dito sa ating unang yugto.
Tama ka, partner, wala pang nakakapag-break ng ice para sa Dimasalang. This is a cold start for them. Well, ito naman, iba naman ang istorya pagdating sa Kataingan. Talagang nagkakaroon ng mga fast break opportunities because of their good defense, their good zone defense.
Yes, tama ka dyan. After that good zone defense, they are controlling the boards, and after that that led to a fast break. Yun nga, partner, sinasabi natin, after rebounding outlets sa mga guards, and these guards, Igot and Pepito, and also si Bergantin is running down the floor, kaya nga nakakapag-score sila.
And you know, partner, coming off a loss, talagang kailangan na nila itong si Igot. And of course, the biggest question here is how will they come back from that loss, and how will they utilize talaga yung size advantage sila pagdating sa larong to.
Pero minsan, despite underman, if you notice the body language nitong Dimasalang, despite nga sinasabi ko underman sila, but they are as early as first quarter, they are very, very aggressive in defending these tall guards ng Kataingan. Yun na si Arizobal crossing the half-court line. Si Kataingan is daring Arizobal to take that 3-point shot, but he manages to pass the ball. Ayan na, Arizobal against Ray Igot. Shot clock is at 9. Binigay dito kay Alino. Baseline jumper. No good. Bersales with the board. Bergantin. What a good pass partner dito kay Ray Igot. And medyo off yung naging landing ni Ray Igot, but he manages to take that layup and scores again his 4th point of the ball game.
And that's very basic for him.
Ayan na, Sularta 4-3. Makes the first bucket of Dimasalang, courtesy of that 3-point bomb na binitawan nitong si Rolly Sularta.
And Dimasalang already scoring 3 points here para sa kanilang first points.
Gandang pasa, Legaspi. Binigay dito sa ilalim, Ray Igot. Inside. Fall away jumper. Makes it.
I believe that's his 8th point,
Yes,
partner.
he hits, kanina nakapag-buslo siya ng dalawang sunod. Ayan na si Arizobal. Binigay dito. Boloñas with a hook shot. Mentes sa kanyang tira. Bergantin skying high with the board. Ayan na naman si Ray Igot. Ray Igot bumps using his body and scores again.
And napakatalinong play na yon coming from Ray Igot.
And also the second pass nitong si Bergantin Roel to the trailing Ray Igot.
Coach Paul Sepe approves of that play. Talagang you need to use your body to give yourself space for the shot.
Ayan na si Legaspi, gives the ball to Bergantin. One of the leading scorers and also one of the coolest guys dito sa on the side of Kataingan. And no look pass kay Bersales again. That is the third pass and the third assist of Roel Bergantin, partner.
And that's what he's capable of, partner. Talagang he's the playmaker and the second coach here on the floor.
Yes, I always admire this player. Since day one, nung naglaro tayo dito, talagang tinitingnan ko na siya. Talagang yung attitude niya parang si Willie Miller, partner, na patawa-tawa lang sa loob ng court. Pero very, very, very effective. And yun na nga, Arizobal fires a 3-point but did not make it. And pinalitan si Sularta, pinasok itong number 6 na si Marlon Banda, who's been a steady contributor coming off the bench para dito on the side of Dimasalang.
And you know, partner, sa pagka-describe mo lang kay Bergantin, I think the best nickname for him is the Iceman.
Tama
Kasi as cool as possible.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner.
Sakto rin sa pangalan niya, Bergantin, Iceberg.
Oo, yan ang sinasabi ko, partner, talaga. Malaking tulong ang marami tayong kasama dito sa panel. Binigay na kay number, what a shot, number 10 dito kay Nino Yanson coming off the bench. Nagpakilala with that elbow jumper. Alino shoots sa 3, Mentes sa kanyang tira. Cleofe with the board. Ayan na si the Iceman, Bergantin, against 2 defenders against Banda. Behind the back dribble. Muntik ng maagawat but very steady. Ayan na si Bergantini. He was fouled.
And he's just as cool as Ice, partner. Tamang-tama talaga yung nickname niya.
First personal foul. Second team
Yes,
foul.
partner, during the pregame nakita ko siya late sa dumating, partner. Cool na cool yung paglalakad niya. Pagdating, minasahe pa siya ng mga teammates niya. Talagang he is a kumbaga respected man on the side of Katayngan. Cleofe is intercepted yan si Banda against Yanson. Banda behind the back dribble. Nabitawan ng bola. Binigay dito kay Yanson and waits for his teammates, and the score is 18-13 with 2 minutes and 54 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Bergantin gives the ball to Gallego. Versales at the post against Alino. Versales operating. Stolen by Banda. Ayan na si Banda against Cleofe. Against 3 gray shirts. Binigay dito kay number 9. Na Setepait scores with that layup.
Pero partner, talagang mahalata natin na nahihirapan itong di masalang sa zone defense na binibigay nitong mga taga-Katayngan.
Tama ka dyan. And halos karamihan ng mga puntos nila is sa fast break. And si Versales operating na hataw nitong si Alino and commits his first personal foul. And I guess that is the act of shooting. So mapupunta siya sa ating 4.5 meter line. Shooting 2.
And that's what I've been saying talagang. They have this size advantage and they need to capitalize the inside game. And talagang kailangan nilang bigyan ng bola itong poste.
Tama ka dyan. And right now, and medyo hindi pa masyado nakaka-score itong Di Masalang. We'll see sa ating second quarter if Arisubal will continue the scoring barrage na pinapakita niya during their last outing. So we'll see kung ano mangyayari come sa ating second quarter. Banda shooting the 3, makes it. Grabe naman si Banda, partner. Coming off the bench, shooting 3s. And right now, the score is 9-18 with 1 minute and 54 seconds remaining. Cleofe at the post. Bergantin kicks it out to Yanson. Yanson. What a play dito sa Katayngan. Almost 5 players touches the basketball. So talagang a good sign on the part of Katayngan, spreading the ball and finding their open teammates.
And the coach liked that play. Talagang maganda yung ball rotation nila sa play na yon.
And nakita ko yung ngiti sa muka ni Coach Valsepe nung dumating si Mayor Edgar Condoro ng Kamayan. Alam na kung ano yun. And ayan na si Bergantin acting as the point guard. Yun ang partner, ang laking point guard nito kung tutusin si Bergantin against his Banda. But Banda is no pushover pagdating dito dahil tingnan mo naman yung katawan ni Banda. Gives the ball the post. Cleofe spins. Bergantin, what a pass. And that is a traveling pero tinamaan.
Masakit yun, partner. Nasiko siya sa likod.
Yes, sakto talaga dun dahil matangkad itong si Versales and immediately apologizes to Arisubal na alam naman natin wala naman malis at hindi naman sinasadya on that last sequence. And Arisubal is substituted, pinalitan, pinasok nitong number 7 na si James Certifico. Binigay dito kay Banda, fakes, attacks. Sayang, it could have been taken that shot pero mintis yan. Cleofe running the floor behind the back dribble pero naagaw ni Certifico ang bola. What a pass dito pero sapa lang inabot. Look at Bergantin, partner, after that block nakasmile ka agad. Naisa niya itong si Alino on that sequence.
And good defensive play. And I credit him sa offensive side din kasi makikita mo partner isa siyang pass first point guard.
And we have 35 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Banda, top of the key. Binigay dito, nahuli ni Cleofe. Yan na si Bergantin. 3 against 2. Bergantin attacks. What a pass, partner. Pero Mentes ang tira ni Gallego Jr. Certifico, baseline jumper, book it. And the shot clock is off. I guess this is the last shot over first quarter. And Bergantin looks at the clock. It reads 8. What he'll do. Bergantin swings the ball. Yanson, top of Mentes ang kanyang tira. Cleofe. And that ends our first quarter with a score of 21-12. Lamang po ng 7 na puntos itong Katayngan and medyo slow-paced tempo ang meron tayo partner ngayong first quarter.
And this is what Katayngan needs to do talaga sa larong to. They need to capitalize on their defense. Magandang pinapakita nilang rotation, kanilang distribution, and of course, itong ang point guard, it's Bergantin. He spreads the ball really well. He looks for his teammates. He's a pass-first point guard. Talagang nagkakaroon ng scoring opportunities ang kanyang mga bigs. But on the side of Dimasalang naman, nagkakaroon naman sila ng bright spots pagdating sa laro. Talagang iba lang yung texture kasi nga mas malalaki itong mga taga-Katayngan. Pero at the same time, you need to applaud the effort of the Dimasalang team.
Tama ka dyan. And starting off, kaya nakalamang ito partner na Katayngan the end of the first quarter because starting off, we got starting at hot dito sa ating laro and I guess he scored 8 points in the first quarter and yun na nga, di pa nga siya ginamit gaano nung first quarter. So we'll see kung ano magiging contribution si Ray Igot during the second quarter. And yun na nga, leading scorers para dito. Ray Igot has 10 points pala partner and also lead si Banda and si Sularta with 3 apiece.
And you know, Parker, I'm sure other teams in District 3 will surely scout itong si Ray Igot.
Yes, tama dyan. And I put back para dito kay Henry Gallego. He scored his 4th point of the ball game. Certifico is open. Di nakita ni Resubal. Swings the ball to Banda. Binigay dito sa ilalim. Gandang galaw sana. Nitipait but he was blocked and smothered by 3 defenders. And the shot clock is 6 seconds. Bola ng Dimasalang. Certifico kicks it out. Banda wants to attack. Kicks it out to Certifico. Nasapal. Ball is good and tumama sa paa ni Banda. Ang possession mapupunta dito to side ng Katayngan.
And Katayngan after that first quarter showing good signs. They're scoring over 50% from the field. Ito namang Dimasalang, they need to be more consistent on their shots, only having 29.4% from the field. They need to step up, partner, para talagang makasurvive sa league na to.
Tama dyan, after that sequence, nakapukol ulit ng baseline jumper itong si Pepito. And that is the 6th point of the ball game. Arisubal, what a good pass kay Alino. Nabitawan ng bola. Alino operating inside against 3 defenders. He was fouled.
He was smothered on that play.
Yun na nga, pero credit to the good pass nitong Arisubal, finding his big man. And alam naman natin, one of the leading scorers din itong si Alino dito on the side of Dimasalang. Alino misses the first free throw. Gusto ko sana sabihin kanina, he's one of the steadiest free throw shooters ng Dimasalang. Yun nga lang, nagmintis pa, kaya di ko nababatiin. Sasabihin ko na lang na si Alino, yun, makes his second free throw and splits his charity, and the score is 25-13 with 8 minutes and 49 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Igot, binigay kay Ligaspi. Elbow jumper, automatic. And right now, if you noticed, Ray Igot partner is not being aggressive sa opensa. Talagang hinahanap na rin niya ngayon yung mga open teammates niya.
And that's where he also contributes, partner, sa pag-spread ng opensa. Talagang meron din siyang passing ability. And of course, he is a guard. He plays a guard for his college team.
And si Ray Igot spins, attacks. Ray Igot smothered by 2 defenders. Ray Igot binigay kay Ligaspi. Pepito inside. No good. And si Tipait against 2 defenders. Crosses over, tumama sa paa. And ang bola mapupunta dito on the side of Katayngan. Pinasok na ang high-flying guard na si Alfred Alforte. I guess dahil nga yung scoring, kailangan na on the side of Dimasalang. Yan na si Igot operating. Directing traffic. Shot clock is at 13. Igot crosses over, skip, hop. Natawagan ng traveling, hindi niya nagustuhan ang tawag pero nahuli ni referee CJ Sanchez, who's been a referee sa ating liga since Albayleg and up to now Masbate. So talagang these are referees na veterans, so talagang mahuhuli yung mga tawag na gano'n. Si Alino shooting the 3, misses the shot. Pepito with the board. Gives the ball to Ray Igot. Speed attacks, what a pass sa ilalim, nabitawan. Ang bola mapupunta on the side of Dimasalang.
And that's what they need to do. You know, Dimasalang needs to up the tempo pagdating sa defensive side.
Yan na si Arisubal. May pick na binigay si Alino. Binigay dito kay Banda. Fakes. Banda attacks. What a move, partner. Nothing but the finish. Sinapal si Alforte. And may contact daw. So he is now in the free throw line.
And you know, partner, itong si Marlon Banda, even if he is the smallest guy on the field, talagang he is a fearless point guard driving that lane.
And yan na si Alforte. Makes his first point of the ball game. And makes his first free throw. And binalik na sa ating laro itong si Bergantin manning the point again. Look at the guards, partner ng Katayngan. Bergantin and Igot. These two guards are listed siguro 5'10", 5'9". So these are big guards. Ray Igot makes the 3-point bomb. And grabe yung effort ng batang ito, partner. Talagang he is not hindi pa flashing yung mga galaw niya ngayon, but still very effective on the side of Katayngan.
And Ray Igot is the only guy with double digits here sa larong to.
Yes, pero si Certifico answering 3-point bomb with that fearless layup. And the score is 30-17 with 6 minutes and 34 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Bergantin, binigay kay Pipito. He is hot. Pipito, mintis ang kanyang tira. Igot, skying high. Binigay dito sa bagong pasok na si Veralio. Pipito again against 4 defenders. And yun na nga, na-frustrate na lang itong si Arisubal because gulat siya. Tinalunan siya ni Ray Igot on that sequence.
And you know, partner, you notice the athleticism of Ray Igot. Yung skying high for that rebound. Talagang tower, talagang kinuha niya. Kinuha niya mula sa ere yung rebound na yun.
And right now, Pipito will shoot 2 because he was fouled sa ilalim and misses the first free throw.
And you know, this is a good sign pagdating naman sa side ng Katayngan. You know, their offense is very efficient. They're scoring bunches. And itong depensa ng Dimasalang talagang it does not up the tempo talaga pagdating sa depensa. And they need to pagdating sa scoring ng mga taga-Katayngan kasi they are effective from the field.
Yan, binalok na ulit si number 28 na si Rory Sularta. Misses the 3-point bomb. And na si Ray Igot against Alforte. Igot, bumping, Igot. Mintis ang kanyang tira, nakakuha ni Sularta ang bola. Certifico is ahead. Hinabol ni Bergantin. Block, partner. What a defense, partner. Look at Bergantin, partner. Sabay smile.
Partner, hindi lang sa opensa, pati sa depensa.
Yes, yung effort that alam niya, he can be outrun by those flashy guards, but still, he manages to block that shot.
And you know, partner, talagang mahaba din tong si Bergantin.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Yung reach, partner, talagang mahaba. So talagang very effective pagdating dito sa guards on the side of Katayngan. Dimasalang rather. The score is 30-17. This is just a 13-point lead, very manageable. So tingnan natin if Dimasalang ay mapababa itong kalamangan bago magtapos ang ating first half. Alforte hangs in midair and scores for 2 using the glass.
And yun talagang kailangan nila ng mga buckets ngayon sa larong to. They're being well defended itong Katayngan.
And si Janson binigay, Bergantin, Igot shoots the 3, makes the 3-point bomb. Ray Igot is on fire, partner, dito sa ating second quarter.
And Ray Igot already has 16 points dito sa larong to.
Yes, 16 points para dito sa guard ng Katayngan. And right now, puntahan muna natin ang ating kaibigan at kasurog na si Miss Danica Garcia. Miss Danica, magandang gabi sa iyo.
Maayong hapon mga kasurog at mas batenyos. Maraming salamat din na Coach John and Jev. This is Danica Garcia, one of the courtside reporter of Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. According to the captain ball of Team Dimasalang na si Alfredo Alino, para mas mapagaan ang kanilang neck-to-neck battle round mula sa kupunan ng Team Katayngan, they need to improve their defense daw, turnover less, and proper distribution also of the ball inside the court. Sa ngayon, kailangan daw nilang mag-double time lalo pat 8-man rotation lamang sila ngayon at kulang kulang din sila sa big man. Samantala, coaches, in good condition naman ang Team Katayngan today. Mas lalo rin daw nilang gagalingan ang kanilang bakbakan between Team Dimasalang, lalo pat kulang din daw sila ng dalawang players na sina Clemente at Jose. Gayunpaman, meron naman silang bagong teammate na si Igot, isang local player from Team Katayngan, and also join and plays for the Mapua Cardinals. Ayon sa kanilang coaches, kayang-kaya nitong maglaro ng 1 to 3 position. For now, they will focus on their ball movement and defense for them to go to the next round dito lamang sa Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. That's the latest update dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, Coach John and Jem.
Maraming salamat, Miss Danica. And right now, kanina, after that report, talaga kanina napatayo ako because of that no-look pass na binitawan ni Bergantin. And now, kanina talagang Ray Igot is shooting the lights out. He has now 19 points in the ball game.
And he has range talaga, partner, itong si Ray Igot. I'm sure he has done that thousands of times sa kanyang college days.
Ayan na si Igot. He checked para sa kanya, mintes sa kanyang tira. And si Alino pinasahan itong ating stance. So turnover para dito on the side of Dimasalang. Ayan na si Tipait, pinalitan na itong si Arisubal kasi kanina nasa ilalim itong si Arisubal. And right now, the missing piece for Dimasalang is Arisubal. I guess he is averaging 13 points pero up to now parang hindi pa nakakascore ang batang ito. Pero si Yanson is on a mission right now. He has 8 points in the ball game.
And he needs to start that scoring barrage. As you've said, partner, kailangan talaga ng mga taga-Dimasalang itong scoring ni Arizobal.
And si Alino, binigay kay Arizobal. Narinig kaya tayo, Arizobal attacks. Kicks it out. Bolognas 4-3. Mintes ang kanyang tira. And si Ray Igot. Being aggressive. Igot, what a pass kay Versales, partner.
And that's good fundamentals on the side of Katayngan. Di ba, partner? Ganun yung mga drills pagdating sa training, yung 3-man pass.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And look at the presence of mind of Ray Igot. Talagang inintay niya na mag-commit yung defender bago niya ipasa. And yun na nga si Versales is all alone with that layup.
You know, partner, that's one of the very effective drills talaga pagdating sa training. Alam ko, you're also a coach sa ating local community sa Albay. And you know, talagang yun ang kailangan matutunan ng mga player ngayon, yung fast break chances na yun. They need to capitalize on that and they need accurate passes pagdating sa mga fast breaks.
Tama ka dyan. Speaking of coaches, pati yung aking kaibigan ng coach, si Dennis Loria, who is watching right now. And also, ang coach ko nung college, si Martin Harigua. Magandang gabi sa inyo. And salamat sa panonood. And syempre, my brothers from Albay Basketball Community who's always been supporting Ako Bicol Cup since day one. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. And right now, the score talaga, partner, is this is the biggest lead so far, 42 to 21. Talagang medyo kailangan na mag-double time itong Dimasalang and double their effort in order to cope up dito sa streaking na Katayngan.
And nabibigyan ng confidence itong mga taga-Katayngan because of this lead. You know, pinapasok na itong mga bench players, the coaching staff is giving an opportunity for them to shine talaga sa game na to. And that's credit to the scoring of these two guards, itong si Igot, and of course the offensive and defensive presence of Bergantin.
Tama ka dyan, and yun na nga sinasabi natin. Yun na nga, tama ka, good observation, partner, talaga yung seldom used players, pag ganitong medyo kalaki-kalamangan, nabibigyan ng chance. And also, this is the time for, yun na nga, na mga hindi nagagamit na players to step up and pakita sa coaches na they deserve minutes as well sa mga susunod na laro. Yan na si Yanson at the middle, binigay kay Ray Igot, directing traffic against Bolognas, binigay kay Cleofe at the post. Shot clock is at 7. Cleofe powering inside, kicks it out to Igot, and he wants to sell the call. Hindi tumama, natawagan ng 24-second violation. And Ray Igot is asking for a foul pero hindi siya tinawagan kanina. Yun na nga, good defense, partner. And good post defense ang pinakita nitong si Elinio over dito kay Cleofe.
And that's what they need to do talaga. Multiple times naskoran sila sa zone defense nila. They need to tighten up more on their zone defense.
Yes, and now, a good block dito para sa number 7. Yan na si Cleofe, waits for his teammates. Gallego, momentarily open, binigay dito kay Loyola. Igot is open. Fake pass. Ayan na, Alino is daring. Versales, gandang galaw. Strip, pero Cleofe. Sayang na, partner.
And Alino has been a pillar for
Tama.
Dimasalang. Talagang inaabsorb tong mga bumps itong mga malalaking guys, itong Kataingan.
Pero look at the body of Alino naman talaga.
Mhm.
Kumbaga, he's built there para sa ilalim. Na si Boloñas, cross court. Alforte, his favorite shot partner. Talagang he is known for his daredevil drives talaga partner. Talagang wala kinakatakutan itong si Alfred Alforte. Yan na si Igot. With the fake, hesitates. And grabing gandang galaw partner, and he was fouled and nasa free throw line. Itong si Ray Igot.
And partner, good recognition on the side of Ray Igot. Kitang-kita mo yung galaw niya. He was looking for the pass, but still, he saw an open lane to drive. Napaka-smart, fish for the foul and get 2 charity shots.
Yes, Ray Igot misses the first one. And yun ang partner. Kita mo naman yung trust and confidence itong Kataingan dito kay Ray Igot. Isa lang ang free throw jumper. And yun na nga, pinasok niya and splits his charity.
And this is a good sign para sa mga taga-Kataingan. Not only na nakakatulong sa offense itong si Igot, but also on the defensive side.
Ray Igot again is having a party dito sa ating first half.
He already has 23 points.
And
I believe
partner,
23.
mind you, this is just the first half. What more kung sa second half talaga ang performance itong si Ray Igot. Boloñas with the fake, inches closer, using the glass, and scores for 2. Yanson with the point, binigay kay Gallego. Yanson loves it up to Ray Igot. Nahuli si Ray Igot na hinawakan itong si Arizubal. His second foul of the ball game.
Kitang-kita mo din, kaya din itong maglaro sa ilalim itong si Ray Igot.
And we have 26 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Arizubal, 1-on-1 against Igot. He wants an isolation. Binigyan ng pick na Tipait. Arizubal hesitates. Binigay dito. What a pass. Kaso masyadong mababa yung pasa nitong si Boloñas papunta dito kay Tipait. Shot clock is off. Binigay kay Gallego. Versales at the post. Kileyofe loses the ball, and yun na nga, ang bola mapupunta on the side of Dimasalang.
And there's still a chance here for the last shot. Itong mga taga-Dimasalang.
And Versales binigay dito and shoots that buzzer-beating layup, and that ends our first half with a score of 47-26. A lopsided game we have so far sa ating first quarter. Lamang po nga ang Kataingan with 47-26. Ray Igot waxing up during our first half.
And that's credit talaga, partner. Tama-tama ka dito kay Ray Igot because of this lopsided affair. Nagkaroon siya ng 23 points already sa ball game na to just in the first half. Talagang nagpapakita kaagad ng scoring itong si Ray Igot. And of course, that's credit naman sa kanyang mga teammates na talagang nagsaspread ng floor, nakukuha yung mga position, mga good scoring positions and passing lanes. They're cutting, they're rebounding, they're defending well. And it's a good sign on the side of Kataingan. Well, ito namang Dimasalang, let's credit their effort then on the defensive side. But still, they need to be more efficient and they need to be more consistent when it comes to the offense.
Yes, kami po yung magbabalik para sa ating second half ng Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. Siyempre, hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List, Congressman Gil Bongalon, katabang na kasurog pa.
Ito ay
Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di Samuya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Nangunguna pa rin sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa buong Kabikulan, mga panturismong infrastruktura,
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di Samuya.
mga paaralan at mga gusaling kapaki-pakinabang.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa.
We are back sa ating halftime and what a performance by Ray Igot during the first half, and credit also tama sa good yung ball movement partner ng Katayngan, very evident during the first half, and di masalang the lone bright spot for them is itong si Banda coming off the bench, contributing several 3-point shots, and partner, pasadahan muna natin ang ating team stats.
And you know, Ray Igo talaga nagkakaroon ng scoring barrage here at just the end of the first half. He already scored 22 points. Let me correct myself for that. 22 points, 7 rebounds and 2 assists. And of course, sa bench points naman, hindi masalang di nagkakalayo itong scoring nila. On the points in the paint, talagang may advantage sa ilalim itong mga taga-Katayngan. On the turnover side naman, lamang na lamang itong di masalang ng 10 points. Sa fast break points, and it is evident because of their turnovers talaga. And second chance points on the offensive rebounds, itong Katayngan na naghahari with 4 second chance points. Pero let's see, let's expect a more high intensity game pagdating dito sa ating second half.
Tama ka dyan, very obvious yung height disparity nitong two teams. Kataingan lording it over pagdating dito sa points in the paint. And of course, talagang itong si Alino lang ang big man dito on the side of Dimasalang. So we'll see. Alam naman natin kahit underman yan talagang lumalaban. So tingnan natin come second half kung ano maging resulta ng ating laro.
And you know, partner, the bright spot for Dimasalang is Alfred Alforte with 7 points at the half.
Yes, yun na si Alforte manning the middle and also scoring at will para dito on the side. Yun na si Alino and si Igot, partner. Nagbibiroan kanina, binagawa ni Alino. And right now, we are now in the third quarter na si Resubal against Pipito. Also given contributions sa Pipito yung mga jumpers niya kanina sa ating first half. And Resubal kicks it out. Boloñas, follow-away jumper, gandang galaw yung partner pero misses the shot. Legaspi with the board.
And you know, they need these perimeter shots kasi mahirap talaga pasukin tong inside ng mga taga-kataing kasi ang lalaki nitong mga taga-kataingan.
Tama ka dyan, speaking malaki na si Versales. And he was called by referee Ronnie Menalisa. Traveling violation. Medyo nang gigil dahil nakita niya talagang masyadong malaki yung mismatch. So talagang nagmadali and he shuffled his feet and called for traveling. And Arisubal, in and out dribble with the floater, finally partner. And Arisubal.
Arisubal, those are his first points.
Yes, his first points of the ball game. Courtesy yung mga floater na yun. Pipito again wants to answer, minti sa kanyang tira, Versales. And nahuli si Alino. Bumping to si Versales, pero kita mo partner yung lakas ng Alino, partner. Kahit binump siya ni Versales, harang mo na nangyari. But then again, he was called for a blocking foul.
And you know, partner, as you've said talagang kailangan ng scoring itong Dimasalang si Arizobal. You know, starting with his first 2 points, I hope he secures more points sa mga susunod na mga play nila.
Yan na si Versales, a solid contributor para dito on the side of Kataingan, scoring and also defending and blocking the shots of this Dimasalang. Yan na si Resubal with the board. Binigay dito kay Alforte against 2 defenders. Hangs in mid-air. And nakakuha ng foul dito.
And as you observe, partner, medyo talagang kalmado itong Kataingan because of this big lead. But at the same time talaga, makikita mo din yung intensity pagdating sa defensive side. On the offensive side naman, because of the presence of Bergantin and the presence of Ray Igot, nagkakaroon ng mas magandang and mas slow tempo but at the same time, much more consistent offensive showcase itong mga taga-Kataingan.
Tama ka dyan. Yun na nga magandang resulta dahil nga lamang sila. So talagang yun nga sinasabi nila, pag talagang lamang ka, yung ring naging malaki compared dito on the struggling na si Dimasalang na talagang hirap na hirap makascore because of the Vigs ng itong Kataingan. Yan as Pipito shoots the 3, makes the 3-point bomb. And grabe partner itong si Pipito. I guess that is the second 3-point bomb na binitawan niya dito sa ating laro.
Sabi doon ni Ray Igot, sa'yo na, ikaw na tumira ng bola.
Yan na nga partner si Alino attacking the baseline, bumping Ray Igot. Good defense on the part of Kataingan. Arisubal for 3, misses the shot. Legaspi tapping the ball to Bergantin behind the back dribble against 3 light shirts. Binigay dito kay Versales. Versales kicks it out to Bergantin and nakatawa na lang turnover itong si Bergantin.
And talagang kalmadong-kalmado, you know, partner, hinahabol siya ng tatlon kanina, nakawala pa siya.
Yun na nga partner, look at the respect of Dimasalang on this Bergantin guy kasi partner, he's not scoring at will but he is triple team partner kung isipin. Pero si Boloñas means business but he misses the shot. Ray Igot with the board. He's in a rush. Bounce pass, Bergantin with the slow motion move, binigay kay Igot, the fake. Up and under, scores for 2.
Napakagandang move naman yun. Dalawa yung napeke dun, partner.
Yun na, partner. And look at the behind, the no-look pass ni Bergantin and he waits for his teammates and finds his open teammate. Despite the lopsided lead, partner, medyo interesting dahil nga yung scoring ng both teams nagpa-pile up na at gumaganda ang opensa ng dalawang teams. Yan na si Alforte. 4 seconds to shoot. Binigay. Boloñas for 3. No good. Versales with the board. Binigay kay Pipito. Pipito. And what a pass by Bergantin to Legaspi and scores again.
You know, partner, itong si Bergantin, wala pang puntos pero napakarami na kaagad itong kanyang mga assists. And that's credit to his good recognition sa mga fast break and sa mga open plays.
Yes, tama ka dyan. That is textbook basketball, kumbaga. Yun yung sinasabi na 3-man wave. Talagang 3 players holding the ball. And yun na nga, yung trailer talagang nakapag-score. So talagang this Katayngan right now is on a roll and is fun to watch because of that fast break point.
Tama ka, partner. That's what coaches like to see. Talagang tumatakbo sa trailing run ang mga bigs, and at the same time nagkakaroon ng second chance opportunity, but of course ang cutter sa gitna, yan ang napaka-importante pagdating sa 3-man wave.
Tama ka dyan, si Pipito. Bergantin is open. Fakes again, Bergantin with a no-look pass dito kay Pipito. Shoots the 3, Mentes ang kanyang tira. Versales again with the spin. Jumper, misses. E na si Arizobal, squeezes in, binigay kay Banda. Ayan na, partner, yung 2 speedsters again coming off the bench. Itong si Banda, partner, talagang very effective on the side of Limasalang.
One of the smallest guys, talagang fearless itong si Banda.
Tama ka dyan, smallest guy with the biggest heart dito on the side of Limasalang. Pepito with the fake, gives the ball to Igot. Shot clock is 8. Igot shortened that 3-point shot. Ayan na, Limasalang is running behind the back dribble. Limasalang and that is an offensive foul na huli, partner. And look at Bergantin.
Sabi niya, kitang-kita yon. Huling-huli ka ni Rep.
And right now, this is a 24-point lead, the biggest lead so far. So talagang despite maganda ang tinatakbo ng laro ng both teams, pero talagang hindi kailangan, di masalang cannot afford to trade baskets, partner, dahil nga lamang na lamang itong Katayngan right now. Pepito gives the ball to Igot. Squeezes in, binigay dito, Bergantin using the glass, overshoots. Arizobal crossing the half-court line, binigay kay Banda with the fake, hesitates. What a move, partner, but a miss. Yan na si Bergantin with the board. Banda is in a rush to defend Bergantin. And grabe naman yun, partner, Tracy McGrady.
Well, talagang napaka-flashy nitong si Bergantin, and the game is just so easy for him.
Yes.
Kitang-kita mo talagang, sabi niya, you know, I will pass it to myself kasi marami na akong assist sa kakampi ko. Sa akin naman ngayon, yung assist na yun.
And that goes to show talaga he's enjoying the game right now, partner. And he is after that sequence. Pero after lumapit pa siya sa kanyang teammates, and coaches, and immediately apologizes on that play.
And you know, partner, he's really fun to watch sa ating liga.
Ayan na si Arizobal, Mintis. Banda again. Sapa lang inabot kay Versales. Ayan na, gandang up and under, pero sorry miss po, partner. Arizobal with the fake, with
He was surrounded by trees there, partner.
Ayan na si Igot with the spin. Bandang pasa dito, and finally si Samuel Veralio scores his first point of the ball game.
And look at Team Katayngan, partner. They're enjoying the game. Talagang nag-enjoy sila, and they're already calm pagdating sa laro just because of this big lead na pinapakita nila.
Yan si Solarta. We know can hit that. Mentes ang kanyang tira. Versales again with the board. Jansson ahead to Igot. Igot. Mentes ang kanyang tira. Igot against 2 defenders, pero hinataw nitong number 28 na si Rolly Solarta.
Foul number 28, Rolly Solarta. First personal foul.
And sabi ni Solarta, may scorean ako nito, partner, kaya talagang final niya na itong high scoring card ng Katayngan na si Ray Igot.
At the same time, you know, this is good sportsmanship coming from both teams. Kitang-kita mo talagang magtutropa lang sila sa loob ng court.
Yun din na napansin ko dito, partner. Even though they're competing to each other, talagang after the game, nakita ko lumalapit sila at nag-usap-usap. Kumbaga, basketball brings brotherhood. Alam naman natin yan, partner. Ako din talaga, marami akong naging kaibigan pagdating sa basketball. Yan na si Banda. Crosses over. Banda wants to attack. What a drop pass dito sa bagong pasok na number 26 na si Jerry Ornopia rather.
And he's been a good spot for Dimasalang, itong si Banda.
Yan na si Certifico, steals the ball, Banda, and yun na nga talaga sinasabi, defense leads to a better offense. After that steal, talaga nakibalik kay Certifico and rewarded himself with 2 points. Yan na si Ray Igot, again Certifico, spins, Igon. Smarted by 3 defenders. And a Certifico against 2 defenders. Waits for his teammate, Sularta. Shoots the jumper. Rattles it out. Ayan na si Banda again. Baseline jumper. Talagang inaalat partner. Itong Dimasalang.
And credit to the defense, the transition defense of Kataingan.
Ayan na si Jansson against Banda. Swings the ball to Ray Igot. With the fake pass, binigay dito kay Cleofe, cutting inside, misses the shot. And out of bounds, possession will go to Dimasalang.
And as that play stops, itong papasok na agad. Ulit pala, ito si Bergantin for Team Kataingan.
And a Certifico wants to attack Bergantin, nakakapasok lang ulit. Binigay dito kay Ornopia against Cleofe. Shot clock is at 10. Certifico, elbow jumper, Mintesian. And si Bergantin with the spin against Banda. Bergantin. What a pass, partner. That could have been a highlight reel if nasa lo ni Cleope ang bola. But grabe, tama ka dyan. This Bergantin guy is very fun to watch. At talagang baka natin kung ano mga highlights pa ang bibitawan ng player na ito. Yan na si Jansson. Shot clock is at 11. Gives the ball to Bergantin. Shooting the 3. Makes the 3-point bomb. And immediately after that shot, nakasmile ulit itong si Roel Bergantin.
And that's his first points nitong si Bergantin. And you know, partner, talagang ang priority niya is to spread the ball and talagang get the assist. Pero talagang hindi lang yung normal na assist, but flashy plays talaga.
Yes, yan na si Banda. Binigay kay Certifico. Shoots the jumper. Mintesian. Bergantin with the board. And yan na si Jansson. Crossing the half-court line. Gives the ball to Bergantin. Bergantin wants to attack. Kicks it out to Jansson. Shot clock is at 8. 5 to shoot. And nahuli ang pasa ni Alino. Yan na Certifico. 2 against 1. Certifico behind the back pass. Binigay dito. And wala nang nagawa doon si Jansson because tatlong naka-light shirts ang nandun to take that shot.
Pero sabi ni Certifico, kung kaya mo Bergantin, kaya ko din. Mag-flashy plays.
Yan na si Jansson. Binigay dito. Cleofe with the cut. Jumper, Mintesian. Nakakuha ang bola ni number 17 na si Samuel Verallo. His 4th point of the ball game.
And you know, partner, this is the advantage of a big lead. Talagang nagkakaroon ng opportunity itong mga bench players mo na makalaro at makabigay ng quality minutes. And at the same time, show your coach na, you know, we can also play and also give contribution.
And yun nangyari na hawa-hawa na partner talaga because the good offense and good flow ng offense nitong Kataingan. Kaya talagang hawa-hawa na to. Ornopia with the Hail Mary shot. Shoots the basket. Yan na si Bergantin. Waits for his teammates. Lucas at the clock. It reads 15. Bergantin. Attack, spins. Binigay dito. Jansson. Misses the shot. Ornofe with the board. Yan na si Banda. Attacking. Sapa lang inabot dito sa number 10 na si Nino Jansson.
And you know, partner, itong Team Kataingan, if ever naman makakwalify sila, I'm really hoping for a matchup itong si Bergantin and also, you know, si Dazel Paul Aspe. Talagang match na match sila. Their play style is a bit of which has a bit of a similarity pagdating sa laro. Their flashy plays and their good passing and their good offensive recognition. Talagang, you know, I'm looking forward if they match up sa ating quarterfinals.
Tama ka dyan. And after yun na nga ang pinakapan after this second round sa quarterfinals, talagang maraming teams na magka-qualify. So tingnan natin if Kataingan will advance or Dimasalang will be on the top of the standings. And right now, tapos na ang ating third quarter with a score of 64 to 41. And talagang malaki-malaking lamang ang hahabulin itong Dimasalang. in order for them to win this ball game.
Yes, partner, this is a tall task for them to complete itong Dimasalang. You know, they're surviving for their places here sa ating tournament. At talagang itong Kataingan, they're still hungry for this victory. They need this win to qualify and at the same time be in contention sa ating standings, and of course to showcase na kailangan namin tong panalong to, and of course we can compete with the top teams ng District 3.
Yan, as we take a look some highlights during our third quarter, yun na nga si Ornopia scoring 4 points, and also yun na nga si Samuel Veralio coming off the bench, grabbing those boards and scoring 4 points dito sa third quarter. And also si Bergantino scored 3 points and dishing out those passes. And para sa ating mga leading scorers pa rin, Ray Igot leading the charge for Kataingan with 24 points and 8 rebounds. And on the side naman ng Dimasalang, itong si Jerry Ornopia coming off the bench, yung sinasabi kong partner, scoring 8 points, and si Al 48 points sa piece din. So tingnan natin, kumbaga this is a surmountable lead na talagang habulin ng Dimasalang. So tingnan natin if makakahabol sila during the fourth quarter. Pero Ray Igot, grabe, nagulat ang ating mga kaibigan after nung binitawan na ni Ray Igot ang kanyang 3-point shot, and wala nang nagawa doon. Ayan na si Banda, wants to attack the paint. What a pass dito, partner, kay Certifico. Yan ang sinasabi ko, partner, kanina pa. Maganda na rin ang flow ng offense ng Dimasalang, but they cannot afford to trade baskets talaga dahil nga lamang na lamang itong Kataingan right now. Ayan na si Versales exploiting the mismatch, pero he did not capitalize. Ayan na si Arizubal, wants to attack, he floats in the air, misses the shot. Pepito binigay kay Legaspi. Bergantin is ahead pero hindi niya nakita.
You know, he's slowing things down. He's slowing things down. Talagang Iceman talaga itong si Bergantin, you know.
Yan na si Igot with the fake, binigay dito kay Legaspi. Legaspi shoots the jumper. Mentis Versales skying high, misses that putback. Yan na si Banda, burning rubbers. Yan naman si Ornopia, but natapikan ni Ray Igot. Banda and Pipito mano y mano, pero nagwagi doon on the sequence si Pipito. And airballs it. Yan na si Igot, binigay dito kay Bergantin sa ilalim. What a pass, partner. Kung nakita mo yung eye connection ng dalawa, si Ray Igot hindi pa nakatawid sa ating front court, but si Bergantin trailing and looking his teammates, yun na nga binigay kagad. Wonderful dish para dito kay Ray Igot.
And of course, this will be our stellar flashy duo talaga. Ito si Igot and si Bergantin para sa team Kataingan.
And also si Alforte, partner, ayan na, with his first 3-point shot, and now he is the leading scorer para dito on the side of Dimasalang. Pepito misses that layup. Arizubal is in a rush against Igot. Double team. Hesitates, attacks, kicks it out. Certifico, elbow jumper. Misses the shot. Bergantin. And what a pass dito. Ayan na si Legaspi. Scores his easiest point of the ball game.
And partner, talagang pag ganyan yung mga kakampi mo, ganyan yung mga guards mo, of course, magkakaroon ka ng better scoring opportunities, and talagang yan ang magusto ng mga players. Of course, magkakaroon ka ng guard na pass-first mentality and good and consistent pagdating sa offensive side, and you will score talaga pag ganyan ng point guard mo.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Pero si Alforte is on a mission right now. He's the lone bright spot para dito Dimasalang, but si Ray Igot with his 29th point of the ball game.
And that's good. That's a good sign pagdating sa team Kataingan. Ray Igot is scoring bunches here.
Ornopia misses the shot. Sapa lang inabot kay Legaspi. Yan na si Igot. Napalakas yung pasa. Tumama sa ating cameraman. and he apologized immediately. And after that, alam mo na kung anong kasunod doon.
Alam mo partner, yung pasa naman nun ni Igot, akala niya talaga si Lebron yung nag-chase down kasi napakataas naman nung But I guess it's just talagang they just laughed it off itong dalawang to. You know, they're good friends and of course at the same time they're just enjoying this game, partner.
Yes, that is the most important thing right now. Even though you're up by a big margin, talagang they're enjoying the game as well. Banda is all alone with the fake. Banda shoots the 3. Iron set rebound, nakuha ni Alforte. Alforte again squeezes in, mintis ang kanyang tira, but there is Alforte with the foot back.
And that's his 10th point dito sa ating ball game.
And this is just a 23-point lead. Ray Igot wants to add that lead pero mintis ang kanyang tira. Legaspi with the board, mintis Gallego and Ornopia. And tumama yung pasa ni Loyola. Yan na si Banda. Kinuha pa partner sa ilalim. Look at that is a genius play, partner. Kasi alam niya kung talagang dito niya nakiuha sa left side. Kayang sapalin ni Versales yan. Kaya ginawa niya yung ring as a protector sa kanyang tira. Bergantin with the spin, the hoop, and the harm. Grabe naman yung partner.
And yun, partner, talagang pinasiklaban ka nitong si Bergantin. Sabi niya, if I can pass with the flashy plays, I can also score. Talagang daredevil shot yun. Napakagandang tira.
Yan na si Bolaños, who's been very quiet para sa ating laro. And misses the 3-point shot. Yan na si Igot against Alforte. Binigay dito sa ilalim kay Legaspi. And in and out. Legaspi again. His block by Alforte. Pero naagaw pa rin ni Gallego ang bola. Gallego wants to attack the baseline. Binigay kay Bergantin. Igot is open for 3. 9 seconds to shoot. And sabi ni Ray Igot, that is a pass, partner. And Versales, partner, right now is having a party. And he's scoring at will para dito sa paint. Pero si Banda, what a move, partner. But he misses the shot. Grabe naman. Yan na si Gallego. Binigay kay Legaspi. And right now talaga tama kakataingan. Is enjoying the game right now.
And of course, credit to that, to their consistent play on the first, second, and third quarters. Kitang-kita mo yung intensity nila ng first quarter and ng second quarter. Kaya nagkaroon ng magandang lead itong mga taga-Kataingan. And right now, they're just enjoying the game. And they're still scoring bunches, of course. Pinapakita rin ng kanilang bench players na they are capable of scoring.
Yan na si Banda, who's been steady din pagdating dito sa Dimasalang. Certifico with a daredevil drive. Mintis ang kanyang tira. But there's Ornopia again, partner, coming off the bench, giving Dimasalang a spark and scoring again underneath.
And Ornopia has 14 points off the bench. Good sign for the side of Dimasalang.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And despite underman, talaga nag-contribute itong si Ornopia. But si Cleofe misses that baseline jumper but he recovers the ball. Shot clock is at 13. Binay dito kay Janson. Cleofe. Veralio for 2. Mintis ang kanyang tira. And Ray Igot touches the ball last. Ang bola mapupunta sa Dimasalang with a score of 79-54 with 3 minutes and 29 seconds remaining sa ating laro. 31 seconds sa ating laro.
And the coaching staff is still playing Ray Igot even though this is a very manageable lead para sa kanila. Napakalaking lead na to. I think they're still wanting to see what Ray Igot is capable of pagdating sa mga later stages. But you know, this has been a good game for him. A great game, a great showing. Debut game niya sa ating liga. And of course, I'm sure he will be a player to look out for sa ating latter stages ng liga.
And yun kanina si Banda at si Cleofe having words to each other, pero kanina they're just joking around lang pala. Pero yan na, Cleofe against two defenders, itong si Ornopia at si Alforte. And now the score is 79-54 with 3 minutes and 8 seconds remaining sa ating laro. And right now gusto kong batiin ang aking dalawang anak na si Juan Carlos Bachiller and si Franco Miguel, who is watching right now. Franco get well soon and Daddy will be home on Monday, so pakabangan nyo. And may constituents sa Kawit East, Washington Drive. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. And Ray Igot misses that layup. Ayan na si Gallego, ginugulo. Itong si Alforte, Certifico. What a move, partner! Pero mintis ang kanyang tira. Jansson with the board, sayang nun, partner. Hinayang na hinayang sa partner after that crossover. And mintis na tira. Pero si Ray Igot again misses the shot. And with the putback,
He has 31 points, partner. Talagang grabe sa scoring tong si Ray Igot.
tama dyan. And kanina talaga yung nakita ko siya, sabi ko, I've known this player pero but Alforte is there again. And we are now nearing the twilight zone with 81 to 56.
And you know, partner, kahit na ganito ang lamang ng mga taga-Kataingan, talagang Dimasalang is not backing down. You know, they're still showing a valiant effort and good effort pagdating sa opensa. They're still biting para sa itong sa larong to.
And Banda is not yet finished. Yung sinasabi ko, tama ka dyan, partner, despite the lead, despite the disadvantage talaga, partner, despite underman talaga, they're there to fight against this Kataingan squad.
And that's good for them. That's a good sign. Talagang kitang-kita mo, they don't lack talent. Itong si Alforte, si Ornope, and si Banda, you know, good signs pagdating sa Dimasalang. And I'm sure the basketball will develop here sa bayan na to. And itong Kataingan naman, you know, with the benefit of having a guest player and an import, it only shows na magkakaroon din ng mga learnings itong mga local players with the guidance of their guest players. And yan talaga ang advantage ng isang import.
And right now, a well-deserved rest para dito kay Ray Igot. Pinasok at pinalitan na ni Pepito. And what a stellar performance dito para kay Ray Igot, scoring 31 points in his debut game. So this is a good news and a good part nitong Kataingan squad. Na si Gallego, that's an emergency pass, partner. And Veralio rather scores his 8th point of the ball game. Banda, binigay dito kay Certifico with the fake. Hangs in midair, scores for 2. And yun na nga, nasa second supply na tayo ng ating huling yugto. And right now, I guess it's safe to say na talagang makukuha ng Kataingan itong larong ito and will be a
contender, partner.
Contender or 3-2 sa ating standings. Yan na si Banda. Medyo binabi ang tira kaya mintis ang kanyang tira.
And you know, partner, this is a good win for them coming out sa ating larong to. It will be a good momentum booster para sa kanilang next game. Of course, itong Kataingan, much needed win. And they were stellar. It was a consistent and stellar performance on the field. After that third quarter, talagang above 50% ang field goal percentage nila. And that's what you love to see, partner,
Yes,
sa
tama.
basketball. That's what you love to see, you know, the sportsmanship and talagang they're just enjoying the game.
And yun mga partner, talagang credit to Dimasalang despite the loss. Partner, they went here to enjoy the game. Yun na nga, right now, partner, the score is 83-63. Tapos na po ang laro, nagwagi po ang Kataingan over dito sa Dimasalang. And what a debut game by Ray Igot, scoring 31 points. And total team effort para dito on the side of Kataingan.
Tama ka, partner. Ray Igot has been the star of the show here para sa ating first matchup ng ating doubleheader. But let's not forget the Iceman. Itong si Bergantin. Talagang kitang-kita mo yung effectiveness niya pagdating sa opensa. And of course, his defense also. Pero after yung mga assist niyang yun, pinakitaan tayo ng magandang puntos kanina. But at the same time, talagang nagkaroon ng magandang scoring run itong Kataingan because of their guards and their stellar offense. Consistent ang passing nila, maganda ang rotation ng bola, and at the same time, the positioning is right there. And this is a well-constructed and well-organized team.
Tama ka dyan. Yun na nga, leading the charge for them is Ray Igot and also yung leadership despite not scoring a heavy load para dito on the side of Kataingan. Ray Bergantin orchestrating this Kataingan squad from the start and after finish. Kaya talagang a good win para dito sa Kataingan and also dito sa Dimasalang, nothing to be ashamed of. Dahil nga, despite undermanned, and yun ang kinikwento sa akin kanina na parang wala silang coach right now because may mga prior commitments. So they went here to perform and to play. That's a good doon pa lang kahit panalo tayo doon, partner.
Of course, hindi lang to talo sa kanila. This will be a good experience and of course, learnings ito para sa kanilang players na nagpakita naman talaga ng magandang laro. Kitang-kita mo na nakikipagbakbakan din sila sa ilalim, nakikipagbakbakan sila sa takbuhan. Itong si good signs for Alforte, si Ornopia, and of course, itong si Banda, one of the smallest guys, but at the same time, consistent din siya sa scoring.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Very, very consistent ito si Banda coming off the bench, scoring a bunch para dito on the side of Dimasalang. And I guess very obvious, partner, hindi ko na sasabihin na marami tayong candidates for Kasurog Best Player of the Ball Game on the side of Katayngan dahil nga, I guess, yun na hirangin natin Kasurog Best Player of the Ball Game, si Ray Higot, partner.
I think it was obvious from the start. No? From the start, partner, kitang-kita naman yung stats niya.
So right now, partner, if you have any shoutouts, partner, batiin mo na. And this is the time for us to thank all the people around us.
I would like also to greet pala yung mga teammates ko dyan sa Victory North, sa Legazpi. Yan sila Kuya Aldrin Milagrosa, sila Kuya Alvin Milagrosa, sila yung mga mga teammates ko dyan. Nakalimutan ko yung ibang players. Pero of course, yung mga friends ko din sa Team Flip, yan sila Cyron, sila Shane, sila Jericho, sila Matt, sila Molly, sila yung mga teammates ko pa din dyan. Of course, binabati ko din, of course, my girlfriend who's watching sa Tabaco yan.
And also, let's not forget talaga kung wala ating liga, kung wala ang ating mga big boss na si Congressman Saldico, ng Ako Bicol Party List, si Congressman Jill Bongalon. Also, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa mga atletang Bicolano. And not also sa Bicolano lang, but all over the Philippines, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. And also, ang ating buting commissioner na si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera and si Bossing Ino Rivera, si Ms. Russell Loretta for bringing Ako Bicol Cup dito sa Masbate. And yun na nga, partner, right now we are showcasing the talents ng Masbateños pagdating dito sa basketball.
That is right, partner. And it's a good avenue for them to showcase their talents sa basketball. And let's thank our representatives for giving us this opportunity naman.
Yes, and right now, kasama na ni Ms. Mabel Itzagoy ng ating Kasurog Player of the Ball Game. Again, my name is Wadi John Bachiller and Jem Pleto. Ms. Mabel, take it away.
Thanks, Jem and Coach John. So right beside me is our Kasurog Player of the Game na si Reyed Igot wearing jersey number 4 from Team Katayngan who scored 31 points, 11 rebounds, 5 assists and 2 steals. Reyed, anong pakiramdam na from your upset game last time nakabawi kayo ngayon at tinambakan ang Team Dimasalang?
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord sa binigay niyang magandang performance sa akin at syempre po masaya kami sa nakuha naming panalo bagkat yung laro namin yung crucial po para sa amin. Kailangan naming manalo para mag-move sa next round ng Ako Bicol Cup. So ano pa yung mga maipapangako mo sa iyong team na gagawin mo para, yun nga, sabi mo ay mapabilang pa kayo sa next round ng Ako Bicol Cup Masbate? I-guide ko sila sa i-compose ko sila sa loob ng court, tsaka ibibigay ko yung best ko para magandaan din sila sa maglaro sa loob ng court din po. Ayan, aasahan namin yan para sa inyong team. Baka may mga gusto kang batiin, pasalamatan, especially yung mga taga-suporta ng inyong team. Go ahead. Binabati ko yung family ko, yung mga papa ko, yung girlfriend ko, si Maika Yu, at mga taga-Stampar, si Boss Philip, tsaka si Boss Macmac. Ano po, boss? Ayan lang po. Once again, thank you and congratulations sa ating team na Team Katayngan. Diyan na nga nagtatapos mga kasurog ang ating Game 1. Diyan lang kayo dahil maya-maya ang labanan naman ng home team kontra sa Team PUV Corpus. Kaya manatiling nakatutok live sa aming Facebook pages, sa page na Rep Saldico ng Ako Bicol Party List at ng Ako Bicol Online TV. Follow us also sa aming YouTube and TikTok account at Ako Bicol Cup. This is Mabel Etchegoyen, your Ako Bicol Cup courtside reporter.